In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate image variations in OpenArt. Whether you're refreshing a design, exploring different moods, or testing multiple looks for a concept, this quick workflow will help you get polished results fast. Start on the OpenArt homepage and hover your mouse over the image you want to work with. When you hover, a small action menu appears over the thumbnail. Look for the option that lets you make changes to that image. Click on Edit Image to open the editor. This takes you into the workspace where all the creative controls live and where you'll prepare your source image for variation. Next, upload your image or simply drag and drop it onto the page. Most standard formats like JPG and PNG work well. Higher resolution images generally yield cleaner details, so choose the best version you have. If the upload takes a moment, just give it a second to process. Once your image is loaded, click on Stylize. This is where the transformation happens. Stylize applies a creative look over your original, preserving structure while changing the aesthetic. Now, select a style from the examples, or upload a reference image of your own. The built-in examples are a great way to quickly audition different aesthetics. Think cinematic, painterly, or minimalist. If you choose a reference image, make sure it clearly represents the mood, color palette, or texture you want, and that you have the rights to use it. The clearer the reference, the more consistent the result. Adjust the style strength to control how much the chosen look influences your original. Lower strength keeps more of the source image's natural appearance. Higher strength pushes the stylization further. A good starting point is the middle of the slider, then fine-tune based on how bold or subtle you want the variation to feel. If you like, add a short text prompt. This is optional, but it can guide the model towards certain details, themes, or atmosphere. Keep prompts concise and aligned with your image. Clear guidance works better than long, conflicting instructions. Set the number of images you want to generate. More images give you broader choice, but they'll take longer to produce and may use more credits depending on your plan. Pick a count that balances variety with speed. Finally, click Create and wait for the results. You'll see a progress indicator while the system processes your request. Generation time depends on image size, style complexity, and how many variations you asked for. When it finishes, your variations will appear on screen, ready for review. And that's the full workflow for generating image variations in OpenArt. Simple, flexible, and perfect for rapid creative exploration.